The Heart Company. I was reviewing your Amazon listing and I wanted to start by saying congratulations on earning the Amazon's Choice badge. That's a strong accomplishment in the competitive marketplace. My name is Yanique, my Amazon guy, and my job is to find growth opportunities for brands on Amazon. And I noticed a few areas that could potentially help increase your visibility and overall sales. Let's start with this tool that we use to analyze keyword and looking at your current keyword distribution. You're not running any ads, and that means you miss sales opportunities. We manage hundreds of PPC brands and have found that ads are profitable when managed correctly. We aim for a 1 to SEO to PPC ratio, and we call that the golden keyword ratio. And your organic keywords could still be improved. Here are your word cloud, and these are the most important keywords on your listing. And there are many more other keywords you could rank for, and more keywords means customers are finding your product. I also have here the highest search volume of keyword phrases relevant to your listing. You organically rank for the top one and top two organic keywords, and you then rank for some of the organic keywords. But as you can see, you are not ranking for some of those highly searched category, making a lot of sale, and that's missed opportunities for you. Now, you rank 268 for face roller lymphatic drainage. Let's take a look on that search. Right, as you can see, the first thing that you will notice are the number of ads on this page, and your competitors are advertising on this keyword. Even if you're ranking organically, customers have to scroll past a lot of sponsored products before they get to the organic listing. That's why ads are so important for visibility. Now, let's take a look at the size of this opportunity. As you can see, for one keyword, face roller lymphatic drainage, that's a total monthly revenue of $4.9 million. dollars. And for me, that's a large market, and there's still room for you to capture more sales. And we help increase your market share through SEO by utilizing conversion and click through rate. Now let's take a look who has the highest share on this market. So we will be filtering this one out. So who sold the most for the last 30 days. And as you can see, Plantific, Face Roller, and Guasha sold a lot. So looking on their listing, they sold a total of 16,543 units for the last 30 days with a revenue of $238,000 for 147, and they're able to do that because looking on their keyword distribution, they're running ads and they're trending organically. They have a total Amazon search volume of 3.8 million, and we could still help you bridge this gap. We could run a keyword gap analysis to your listing. So, this means we will find high volume keywords your competitors are ranking for, and we will add to your listing. We will compare at least 10 competitors and focus on the keywords that consistently ranks well. Now, going back to your listing, let's take a look on your strike zone. So your strike zone keywords are the top 20 to 50 organic keywords you're currently ranking for. And these keywords may not be performing well right now, but would like to move them to the top 10 to significantly increase your visibility and overall sales. And if you will schedule a call with us, I could send you this keyword report. And here are other places where you could add more keywords into. You could add that to the back end of your search term, to your bullet points, and to your A plus content. Adding the right keywords in this area could help improve your visibility. I also notice here on your title that is above Amazon's new limit because starting July 27, Amazon may automatically shorten this, which could badly affect your SEO. And the good news is Amazon's new item highlights could provide extra space for you to add key benefits and features, helping make up for the missing titled characters. And also, I noticed that you're using Amazon prescribed images to your listing, which is really great. We could help A/B test different images to find what drives the most sale. And looking at the bottom of your listing, I noticed here that you have an A plus content, which is really professionally made and engaging. You also have this kind of skincare step, which is wonderful. It gives more feature about your product as well as your product grid. Your customers are able to see other products that you have within the listing and of course your brand story. This is really unique and could definitely build trust to your brand. Now, with this great looking A plus content that's almost perfect, I wanted to let you know that there are two simple ways to improve traffic with this. So you could add up to 500 words of copy and add alt text behind each image. So each image would hold up to 100 characters of keyword. You could add Spanish or maybe common misspelled words. And this great looking A plus content of yours could help improve SEO. Now, there are a lot of opportunities we'd like to discuss, but I wanted to introduce you to our team. So we are my Amazon guy and we are a full service Amazon marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and generated over 1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. Our team handles PPC, SEO, catalog issues, creative services, and brand protection. So if you're trying to increase your ranking or lower your ad costs or grow sales, we have proven strategies to help brands succeed. So if you find this video helpful, click on the link below and schedule a call with an Amazon expert and learn how we could grow your sales on Amazon.